Give me 10 facts about dogs. Dogs are descended from wolves. They've been human companions for 15,000 years. They're all unique, with 340 different breeds worldwide. Each breed has specific traits. Like bloodhounds, with their unparalleled scent tracking abilities, or border collies, known for their intelligence. Did you know? Dogs see colors differently than humans. They perceive the world in shades of blue and yellow. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, 10,000 times more powerful than ours. It helps them detect diseases like cancer. Ever heard of puppy love? Dogs release the love hormone oxytocin when interacting with humans, just like we do. Lastly, dogs dream too. They experience REM sleep and have dreams, just like you and me. So, let's cherish our furry friends even more.